Introduce highlight features or overview summary for odbowuge car fan, USB portable fan for car with 3-speed, 360-degree rotatable dual-head fan. Strong wind electric auto car fans, dual-head USB plug. You can find for what you want, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: dual head and strong wind USB fan for car with 2 powerful fans and 3-speed switch, effectively dissipate heat and improve air circulation and keep the air in vehicles fresh and cool. Easy to use. The fan comes with strong adhesive stickers to fix the fan on the dashboard. Just plug into the USB power socket before use, let the cool air cover every corner of the car. Adjustable car fan. Car fan can be rotated by 360 degree, and fan base is also 270 degree adjustable, aim airflow exactly where you need it. This fan will quietly cool in the exact direction on the speed that you chose, so you can relax with the utmost comfort. Compatibility: all USB power. Fan runs on USB power. It's really a high-powered fan, save energy and bills, are compatible with power bank, car charger, computer USB plug and other USB-enabled power supply. Perfect gift. Car fan is an amazing gift for car owners. The car fan is energy-saving and easy to use. You can order the durable car fans as a gift for your family and friends. They must be impressed by this wonderful gift. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.